Welcome to our video demonstrating ENS220 dashboard from ScioSense. In this video we are going to show you how to unpack, install and run dashboard for demonstration purposes. You will learn how to make essential settings and prepare data for post-processing. Go to our website www.sciosense.com, find and download under the pressure sensor section our dashboard software. Then unzip the downloaded file and start without installation the executable file. Once the USB port is connected, the dashboard will automatically find a USB bridge and a connected sensor. The section Graphs is giving you the pressure and temperature readings. By default, all measures will be automatically logged into a CSV file and are available after running the data acquisition. The file location can be freely selected and offers a number of individual options. Within the configuration settings, you can find plenty of pre-selected settings for different typical applications. This might be for ultra-low noise applications, height tracking, sports, HVAC, barometer applications, maximum throughput or simply customer-defined setups. A special application I like to highlight is the height measurement. Once you plug in a second evaluation kit, the dashboard will automatically detect and display the values, including height differences between those two. Keep in mind that an initial calibration will take place where it is assumed both sensors are at the same height with same environmental conditions. Filtering can be adjusted to an optimum by the user at any time. On the diagram height difference, it can be clearly seen that I'm lifting up and down the second sensor by around 60 centimeters. As the ScioSense dashboard is only an application to give you a first glimpse of the features, you can of course unleash the full performance of nearly 1 kHz output data rate by connecting a microcontroller of your choice directly at a I2C or SPI bus. ScioSense, sensing tomorrow's world.